Best deals.
1. Utensil display rack. Has an aluminum oxidized finish giving it a vintage appearance. The countertop is widened to stack more items. It has a top fence rod to avoid falling of the products. Humanized tilt design for hanging dust cloth or hand towel. The rack holder has two removable spoon and fork holder. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Microwave stand. Made from high quality steel, ensuring durability, rust resistance, and strong load capacity for OTG ovens, microwaves, and kitchen accessories. This microwave oven stand for kitchen is built with reinforced steel, capable of holding heavy appliances like OTG ovens, convection microwaves, and kitchen utensils without bending or wobbling. The reinforced base and anti-skid rubber pads keep this microwave rack stand steel stable, vibration-free, and safe for all kitchen appliances. This black steel microwave rack for kitchen storage features a smooth surface for easy cleaning, and its tool-free assembly ensures hassle-free setup. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Under sink storage organizer. The stainless steel rods expand from 50 to 68 cm, allowing for customization based on your space. Each side of the frame features two screw holes for optimal height installation. Shelf unit is easy to clean and install, providing a safe and durable solution. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dish rack. This multifunctional dish drainer with drainer comes with expandable tray. The main department of the shelf can organize bowls, plates, cups, mugs, pot lid, pans, etc. The detachable cutlery box can hold chopsticks, knives, forks. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kitchen trolley. Its smooth finishes and simple design instantly improve any space's aesthetic appeal and fit in perfectly with modern decor. Store and organize home organizer items and storage with a stylish basket for kitchen, perfect for kitchen essentials for home organization. Basket is simple to wipe down and keep tidy because of its smooth surfaces and easy access design. Keep your kitchen clutter-free with a functional kitchen cabinet organizer. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Dish drying rack. Designed to offer an all-in-one storage and drying solution with its double-layer construction, dish drying rack efficiently combines the functions of organizing various kitchen supplies. The side compartments are perfect for storing cutleries and a cutting board. These distinct areas help you keep all your cooking tools within easy reach while ensuring they dry quickly. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Wooden spice rack. Meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, the organizer reflects precision and attention to detail. The elegant design features a stunning gold matte frame that adds a touch of glamour and sophistication. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Microwave stand. Crafted from powder-coated metal, offering both durability and a sleek, modern look for any kitchen countertop or workspace. The rust-resistant surface is easy to clean and built to last, with a strong load-bearing capacity ideal for holding microwaves, toaster ovens, or kitchen appliances. A perfect choice for those seeking a heavy-duty microwave rack with both style and strength. Designed to maximize vertical storage, it's perfect for creating an organized kitchen layout without sacrificing style. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Drawers. 2-level sliding storage baskets for convenience in the kitchen, bathroom, office, workshop, and more. Heavy-duty stainless steel construction that lasts. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Dish drying rack. Features an adjustable expandable frame, allowing you to customize the length to perfectly fit different sink sizes or countertops. When not in use, it can be folded down to save valuable kitchen space, ideal for small kitchens, apartments. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Pan and pot organizer. Features strong nanofilm adhesive strips. You can finish the installation in 10 seconds. This organizer can be used for pots and pans, lids, cutting boards, cookware, bakeware and more. It can effectively expand the kitchen space, comes with damping guide rail, slides out all the way, providing you with easy access. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. 4-tier slim rolling trolley. Easily maneuver this trolley rack with wheels across tight spaces in your kitchen, bathroom, or laundry. Ideal fridge side storage rack or office supply shelf. This high-quality plastic shelf rack for storage is designed for wet areas like bathrooms or kitchens. Mesh base ensures no water buildup, keeping items dry. Comes with snap-fit design, no tools required. Assemble this plastic trolley rack for storage in minutes and start organizing instantly. Works as a bathroom trolley, kitchen trolley organizer, or slim rolling storage rack near the fridge or sink. Maximize small spaces with this trolley for kitchen storage or movable storage cabinet. Store spices, toiletries, bottles, or cleaning supplies neatly and accessibly. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dish drying rack. Features a user-friendly double-layer design utensil drying rack providing ample space for a variety of kitchen supplies. Kitchen dish drainer rack. The bottom layer is perfect for storing cups, boxes, bowls and dishes, while the top dish holder rack and cup holder optimize space. Kitchen drying rack. This multifunctional layout ensures every item has a designated spot. Kitchen dish rack, making kitchen organization effortless and efficient. Crafted from premium quality carbon steel, this organizer is designed for maximum durability and sturdiness. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Pan rack. The 8-tier design allows you to easily adjust shelves to fit various pot and pan sizes, providing flexible and personalized kitchen storage solutions. Made from high-quality metal, this rack ensures long-lasting use. It securely holds heavy pots and pans, keeping your kitchen essentials safe and organized. Use it as a countertop organizer, under sink storage rack, or in kitchen cabinets. Perfect for keeping tawa, rice pots, and utensils within easy reach. Simple installation with no tools required. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Microwave stand. Great choice to be your kitchen storage shelf, perfect as a kitchen dish rack, microwave oven stand, OTG stand, oven rack in living room, coffee stand. Attached wheels allow a dish rack to easily move from one room to another room effortlessly. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Steel shelf. Features a rust-resistant finish, making it ideal for humid areas like kitchens and bathrooms, ensuring long-lasting shine and functionality. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Plastic storage rack. Made from sturdy plastic space-saving folding rack, easily folds for compact storage when not in use, perfect for maximizing kitchen space, icy material, ensuring long-lasting use and resilience. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Steel vegetable stand. It makes cooking easy in your kitchen, tidy by helping you place everything in the right spot to where it belongs. 4-tier steel rolling utility cart for storage and space saver of your home and kitchen, garage, pantry. The perfect solution for organizing a multitude of items, such as video games, bath soaps, shampoos, conditioners, linens, towels, laundry needs, craft supplies and more. Product link is given in the 18th link.